This is the one that I would take on my day trips and things like that when I'm filming. Aputure Amaran FL. This is my favorite mobile light to make those Zoom calls amazing, and has an amazing CRI. Basically, CRI is a measure of the color for photography and videography, which this can do DTAP power, a USB-C power, so you can power it off a battery bank, like this one, which is what I generally do for those Zoom calls, so you can have a well-lit camera, because even a not very good camera like a webcam or your laptop camera looks so much better when you're properly lit. And this one has a very good diffusion, so you're not going to get like way blown out on one side and it'll be like all harsh and shadows and be like But it also can do tungsten and daylight, and it's amazing. If you're looking for a light, I really recommend Aputure's products. They're really good quality. This is amazing, and it comes in a really nice carrying case. So you get the light, and it can do battery packs. So you Sony MP batteries, and they just slide on. And it has a really good control, so you can control it. It can do 100 to 0 all the way up, and it has both daylight and tungsten lights. It's bi-color, and it has lots of tripod mounts to put things on, so it's great. You can put it on a tripod, or it comes with adapters for 1/4-20 and 3/8 and all sorts of other things to put it on boom arms and anything else you would want. And it's pretty reasonably priced generally if you're trying to upgrade your Zoom calls, or you do a lot of mobile stuff or YouTube or anything like that. I would recommend that light. Link in the video description for all these things I'm talking about. It makes it easier for you. Leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, share, and like if you liked it, because it really does help.
YouTube thinks you'll like this video.